Namaste students. In this video we are going to discuss how to find out square root of a number using long division method. So here I have taken two examples of perfect square numbers to find out the square root. One is 363609, we have to find out its square root, and another one is 57121. So one is a 6-digit number, another one is a 5-digit number. Now first of all write them inside the symbol of the long division. Now what is the first step of long division method? First of all, make pairs starting from ones digit. So here 9 is ones digit, start making pair from this side, right to left. And because here we have 6 digits, so 3 pairs are complete, but here we have 5 digits only, so your 5 will be alone. Now first of all we have to take the first pair of the number. And now think of a number whose square is either less than 36 or equals to 36. Means it should be nearest less than or equals to 36. So we know that 6 6 are 36. The square of 6 is 36. So one 6 I am writing in the divisor, another 6 I am writing in the quotient, and 6 6 are 36. Subtract it, your remainder will be 0. Let us continue with our second question also. Here the first number is 5 only, because here the number of digits were odd, so this 5 was alone. So again same step we have to follow here. What is that? Think of the number whose square is either less than 5 or equals to this 5. So we know that 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 will be more than 8. So 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now what is the second step? Pull down the next pair. Here the next pair is 36, and here the next pair is 71. Now what will be your next divisor? So to find out the next divisor we have two methods. Either add both of these numbers or double the quotient. So the quotient was 6, its double will be 12. Means double the quotient is the second step. So here the quotient is 2 and its double will be 4. Now here you need to concentrate. What we need to do? We have to put a blank here. And here also we have to follow the same. We have to put a blank. Now let us write them in the rough work. This is 1 2, then dash, and one blank we put in the quotient. So I am writing this blank also here, and I am going to put the sign of multiplication. See, here the magic begins. How? We have to put the same number in the both blanks, and the product must be equals to or less than this 36. Now see, if I will put even 1, it will be 121 ones are 121. It will be more than 36. So we cannot take 1. What we have to take? We have to put 0. So 120 zeros are 0. Put 0 here, 0 here, and 120 zeros are 0. But no need to write, because one more step will increase. So better you pull down the next pair after putting the 0. Now we are in the third step. So for third step we have to double the quotient. So already it is 60 2s are 120. Put the next blank. Means here we are going to put the next blank, and one blank in the quotient, one blank here. Again we have to fill the same number. but the product must be either less than this 3609 or equals to this 3609. So what we need to do? We have to put 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So this one is equals to your remainder here. So put 3 in this blank and put 3 in this blank, and your answer will be 1203. 3s are 3609. Subtract them, the remainder will be 0. Means the square root of this 3,63,609 will be equals to 603. And you just completed it in 2 steps. Then same here in our second example, we have done the first step. Now in the second step, we are here with 4 and dash and 1 blank we put in the quotient. Now we have to put the same number. Now see what we have to put in both of the blanks so that the number will be either less than 171 or equals to 171. Now what we have to put? Now see, if I am putting 4, so it will be 44 4 ja 176, that is more. So what we need to put? We need to put 3. 43 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 129. So put 3 in the divisor and put 3 in the quotient, and 43 3s are 129. Subtract them. 11 minus 9 2, 6 minus 2 4 and 1 minus 1 0. So no need to write. Put on the next pair, that is 21. Again we need our next divisor. What it will be? 23 2s are, that is 46. Again we have to put a blank, and again I am going to write 4 6 dash multiply by dash. Fill the same number in both of the blanks. The product must be either equals to 4221, it is the last step, and the number is perfect square, so it must be equals to this number. So what are the possibilities? Now we know that either 1 1s are 1 is there, so 461 1s are 461, or 9 9s are 81 is there. 81 is ending with 1, so let us try with 9. So 9 9s are 81, 9 6 are 54, 54 and 8 62, 9 4s are 36, 36 6 42. So the answer is 469 9s will be 4221. Subtract it, the remainder will be 0. Means the square root of square root of 57,121 will be 239. This is your required answer. Our next question is, find the least number which must be added to 6203 to obtain a perfect square number. Also find square root of the number so obtained. Now in this question, first of all we have to check that this is not a perfect square number, but before this number, which number is perfect square, and after this number, which number will be perfect square. So for that, let us use long division method. We know that our given number is 6203. First of all, make pairs starting from ones, and first pair is 62. So think of the number whose square is either equals to 62 or less than it. So we know that eight 8s are 64 will be more than 8. So we have to take 7 7s are 49. Subtract it. 12 minus 9 3 and 5 minus 4 1. Pull down 0 3. So for the next divisor, double the quotient. 7 2s are 14. Put a blank here and 1 4 dash and 1 dash is there in the quotient also. We have to fill the same number in both of these blanks, and the product must be less than 1303. So see, if I am going to fill 8 here, 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, 32 6 38, and 8 1s are 8, 3 11. And in same number, if I am going to fill 149, then what will happen? We have to multiply by 9. So 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36, 36 8 44, and 9 1s are 9, 9 4 13. It is 1341. Now see, if I am going to take 8, 148 8s are 1184. Subtract it. Our remainder is 13 minus 4 9, 9 minus 8 1, and 2 minus 1 1, 119. So if we will subtract this remainder from 6203, the number will become the square of 78. But the question was, but must be added. So means we have to make it the square of next number. We have to add something in it. So what we will do? We will take the next number, that is 9. Means in same long division, we know that 7 7 are 49. Up to here it is same. Then 7 2s are 14 was here. Now what we have to do? We have to take our next number, that is 9. So 78 square is less than this 6203, but we have to add something, means we need next number. So we have to fill 9 here. We have to take next number. So the product will be 1341. But we cannot subtract it here because now 1341 is more. So what we will do? We will subtract in our rough work. So 1341 minus 1303, which is equals to 38, is the number which must be added to 6203 so that it becomes a perfect square. Now we have to find out the perfect square number also. So perfect square number will be 6203 plus 38, which is equals to 6241, and the square root of this 6241 will be our quotient, that is 79. This is your required answer. Thank you.